Hi, this is Mr. McEwen, and this video is going to show you how to set up SketchUp for schools so that you can use it to make a floor plan. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create new, and there's a drop-down menu, and we're going to select the feet and inches template. And this comes up. We're going to get rid of this guy. Don't like his shirt anyway. And first thing we're going to do before we get drawing is we're going to set up our space here. So I'm going to click model info down here. This comes up. You can see that we're in inches. That's fine. Let's make the precision at 1 inch so that because our scale is pretty big. And let's make sure that we have snapping set to on, and the snap interval is 1 inch. That means when you draw a line, it will snap to the closest inch. It makes for a little bit easier accuracy. Okay, so that's good, and we can close this. Let's take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. So we're going to draw the floor of the first room in our house that we're going to draw. And let's make this just for this demonstration, 10 feet by 10 feet. All right, so when I start to click this rectangle, I'm going to type in 10 feet, comma, 10 feet, hit return, and there's my floor. Okay, so it's a 10 foot by 10 foot floor. But I'm looking at this 10 foot by 10 foot floor now in a 3D space, and you can see there's some perspective here. It's kind of slanted and kind of thing. It might be kind of difficult to draw our floor plan like that. So let's get this into plan view as if we're looking straight down from the top. And to do that, I'm going to right click on that floor, and I'm going to say align view. Boom. Now we're looking at our floor straight from the top down. And if we want to, we can take our tool and we can add other floors to our floor plan as we see fit. Notice how it's much easier in this view because we're not working in 3 dimensions. So there would be another floor. Okay, so that's how we're going to get started drawing our floor plans in SketchUp.